We were born to travel and explore, and today our need to move is unparalleled. Yet congestion in cities is already a global problem. As the world's population grows and transport needs of developing and established economies change, there is an acute need for sustainable mobility solutions that work efficiently together. Expanding the ground transport network into the sky in a way that is accessible and affordable will offer a step change in network capacity and functionality. Novel air vehicles offer the potential to move people and cargo with increased versatility and speed and minimal environmental impact. Last-mile deliveries by air cargo drones could ease the pressure on ground transport, navigating autonomously via pre-programmed sky highways from station to station to bring your parcels to where you are. Today's world demands practical, on-demand mobility solutions, both on the ground and in the air. With rapid advances in electrification, autonomy and connectivity, large-scale urban mobility through a new class of vehicles is becoming a real option. In a near future, electric takeoff and landing vehicles or air taxis will slash hour-long ground journeys to just tens of minutes by air. At Airbus, we are exploring several vehicle demonstrators and concepts to be able to deliver on the best possible urban air mobility experience that is equally affordable, eco-efficient and safe. We are working collaboratively with cities and regulators to integrate air taxis into existing environments and airspace rules with minimal impact, while at the same time developing more intelligent, autonomous and decentralized air traffic management solutions that can safely and efficiently accommodate all types of vehicles in the same airspace. We were born to move, travel and explore. Urban air mobility is all about giving ourselves the freedom to move for decades to come.